Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to pin a program or a software in the taskbar. So a taskbar, it is an element in your Windows computer which allows you to switch between the current running programs. It also shows you your current running programs, and it has the Windows search. It has the icons like the battery icon, the network connectivity icon, the date and time, and all the other things. To learn in more details, you can come back here later. Now this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now we are at my desktop. So I will go to the type here to search, then search for the WordPad. Now if I want to pin this, I will have to right click on it. But before that, please notice that there is no WordPad in my taskbar currently. So now if I right click on it and click on pin to taskbar, now the WordPad is here. Another simple and easy way is just to drag and drop the program, like drag and just simply drop the program to pin it to the taskbar. So these are the steps you can follow to pin a program or a software to your taskbar. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to pin a program or a software to the taskbar. Thank you for watching.